look at that.
Wow, that was awesome.
One shot.
That was pretty sweet.
You like that?
Yeah.
This is my day for forgetting everything. So I forgot my ridge line. I forgot, somehow I lost the carabiner for my hammock. Alex has lost his phone once, which was in the hammock. Now what'd you lose?
The other half of this. Oh.
The other half of that.
Yeah, the part that's sticking way up there.
Yeah, that part.
Yeah, that part that I never cut off.
Is it going to be one of those weekends?
That's a big ass tractor. There is easy enough. You have straps like this and stuff. And then we get the buckles that he had. And you just put up.
Liners. I've been carrying around trash compactor bags. So 2 of these is lighter than one of those bags.
Way lighter.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. Courtesy of the bankster.
I got something.
Grates that we can use over the fire. You want me to grab the grates and the pot? Yeah.
So one of the things you can do with this style hammock, I usually do it with my walking or trekking poles, is that since it's flat, it kind of gets in your way when you're trying to set up all your gear underneath. So if you could take something like this, probably about right. I usually do it with my trekking pole. Just kind of stick this in the ground like that. And then that kind of keeps it up out of the way so you can stage all your stuff underneath. So one of my fears is one of these days I'm going to be on an outing. Someone's going to text me and say there's no one else here with me and that Alex was a make-believe camping person. And I'm going to go back, look at all the videos, and it's just me talking to a guy who's not there named Alex. That'd be pretty creepy.
That would. That's movie worthy.
Right. What are those?
Or I could spray permethrin around and chase them away.
This is for
And one thing I won't travel without, chair. Gotta have the chair. Later. That's the setup. Now when I'm ready to go, just pull that out. That just kind of gets it out of the way. It's easier with trekking poles. Bam!
Bam, son.
He got it. He got it. First take.
This one?
Yeah, put it back on there for the film.
Now take your shirt off. Do it one more time.
Now smile. Smile like you're having fun. I like it.
What's that thing called?
A lighter?
Oh, a lighter.
A lighter and fat wood. We're hungry. So don't have time for nonsense.
Cowboy beans.
Cowboy beans must get going. Did I pass? Except then I use a lighter. Here,
Yeah,
wait a
you
minute.
passed.
You could always cut the camera and then... Whoa, look at that!
Wow, that was awesome.
One shot!
That was pretty sweet.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's a wrap. So the creator of this did not want to be on video, but this is pretty cool. There's a chain here with a notch in this pipe. It allows you to raise it and lower it. Slicker than snot, man. Look at that.
Wow.
Now that's part of the Pathfinder system. Oh, look at that. Magic trick for you guys. Watch. Woo!
Nice shot.
Can't do that with Fuji water. Alright, well, that was a fun day. We actually had two dinners. The second one we just hodgepodged. So it was like potatoes, beef jerky, Slim Jims, Nor's rice, and my special spices. So, and it just started raining. It looks like it's probably gonna rain all night. But I kind of like the rain, especially when it's hitting the tarp. Just very relaxing. So that's it for today. Tomorrow's a new day. And that's it. Good night. See you in the morning. I don't want to get out of the sleeping bag. Hey, I'm going to film you filming me.
I'm taking pictures of you filming me.
All right. And what do we have here?
Of course, it hadn't been used in a while. I didn't wash it good though.
So here's Ted's setup. Pretty cool. I'm digging it.
So I just got the largest Eno I could find, the lightest hammock I could find, and a bug net that goes over the entire thing.
That is cool. And the tarp, I think that's a perfect size too.
Yeah, and the net, the underquilt, the hammock, all just bunched together and go into one stuff sack. So when I'm setting it up, I'm just clipping on both ends,
And it all goes into one bag.
and it's all
Huh.
ready to go.
So who makes? Do you know who the maker is of the hammock? Oh, here it is. Trunk.
Yes, trunk.
So it's a trunk hammock, and then I assume they make the bug net, or who?
No, bug net is Cedar Crest.
Yeah, so Cedar Summit, bug net, the trunk hammock.
And then the underquilt was like $30 on Amazon.
So it's just an Amazon buy.
Cheapest one I could find.
So it got down probably, I would say, my phone said 40 degrees weather station, but I'm going to say it's probably close to 38, 36, so you're pretty warm in there.
Yeah, toasty.
What are we going to do?
Gonna make a table,
And what else?
clear a trail,
What else?
eat. In that reverse order.
Only reverse order.
Man, I'm wondering if we don't need to do something with this grease before it starts a big fire.
That's what the bread's for, right? Sop up the grease with the bread.
So put some of this in there then.
Yeah.
Slap your mama.
Yep.
Of course, these things probably would stay warm for a while, the bratwurst.
We took my healthy whole wheat bread, right? We soaked it in bacon grease and grilled the bread. Eggs, cheese, and bacon. All right, slam that in.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to savor it, take my time.
All right, well, take your time. It's like a sipping whiskey.
Yeah. And I don't want to lose too much.
All right. Scale of 1 to 10.
I'd do it again.
Alex?
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Still have
And
sausages.
Ted's taking the healthy approach. He's only doing the bacon soaked bread with eggs.
Eating the bacon separately so I can just savor that flavor individually.
I like the way you think. And we made enough for 23 people. OH.
Io!
So Chris Williamson will be the guy on the spot for Minnesota. The penalty has moved the ball to the Gopher 49 for Ohio State. 11-20. And Saunders flanked to the
So after years of searching and miles of hiking, we found a place we can call Bushcraft Central. gathering up a bunch of wood. We're clearing out our trail to the camp. We're going to use this to build our bushcraft shelter with. Beginning of the shelter.
It has a magazine holster built into it too. It's appendix. Do you want to still use one of them as a pattern?
Yeah.
Not a bad start. Got the trail cleared out, and now we have a clear path to the camp. Kind of nice. There she is.
Corey Feldman.
Potatoes, jalapeno peppers, Spam, special spices, onions, and Alex brought a steak. We're going to throw the bone in the mash and then put the steak in when we're all done.
The topper.
The topper.
The steak topper.
All right, Kenny gets first bite. What do you think?
Oh, it's going to be a hit. Definitely, you can get the pepper flavoring.
Yeah, from the jalapenos.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, there's a piece of steak right there.
Good. All right.
T-bone.
He's in charge of the T-bone. He's gonna go gnaw away on that.
All right, you can't get that on video though, but there you go. It's even got some Spam on there connected. And see the glue.
Right, because on top of steak, you need a little Spam adhesive on there. So he's gonna go over there and gnaw on that like a wolf on a dead carcass.
Keep it clean. Just throw it right in the back of your pack.
Morning.
Morning, sunshine.
I got up early, guys. We got this fire going.
Hey,
You
prepared all the wood.
prepare all the wood. You
Nah.
got breakfast.
Oh, you made breakfast too?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the
Ready.
pot. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that. Why is it fuzzy?
Guess first.
Guess first. So who woke up and got the fire going? Kenny?
And Alex did.
Was it Alex?
Yep.
Wow,
It didn't take much.
cool.
It was all right. Right stacked up over there.
That's right, we had our next fire mentality going. So this is the concoction we came up for breakfast. potatoes in the cup. And then take the biscuits and gravy, put it on top. And then the side dish, Spam tortillas. Kind of looks like what my dog coughed up on the carpet the other night. I have a feeling this will taste a little better though.
So what did that taste like?
I don't know. Well, I did have to try just see. I figured the dog thought it was so good he was going to let me try a little, so he'd give me a little back.
Come on, you got. I'm full.
Right. All right, well, that's it for the weekend. We're wishing we didn't take our hammocks down so we could all nap. So the weather turned out really nice. Sunday, we had rain. Friday night, we got a little bit of rain yesterday, but it was very, very light. Speaking of light, I'm feeling lightheaded from the exorbitant amount of fat, protein, sodium I consumed on this trip, but I knew I was going to do it, treat myself this weekend, and it's back to plant-based on Monday. I made 6 trips to the bathroom and drank 8 gallons of water, and I still feel dehydrated. So I'll show you the setup here. So here's what we got accomplished. And then our next project's a latrine, right? An outhouse. The table. So we're gonna build a table right here. That'll run from there over to there. Then the firewood will go underneath. So that's about it. We're gonna sit here and enjoy the weather. This is Jeff, Alex, and Kenny with Common Sense Camper.
Camping out.
Yes, thank you.